This video will show you how to create and edit services in your Routezilla account. From the dashboard, click on the Settings button and select Services. On the next page, click on the Add Service button. For the purpose of this video, we will create a service called Free Estimate. Below the title, you can enter a brief description of this service. And then the default time required for this service. Select this box if you would like the service to be active as soon as it's created, meaning customers or your admin can book in appointments for this service immediately. The next section will allow you to enter questions that your customer or administrator will use when booking appointments. Let's say that this is a cleaning company, and so the first question will be, how many rooms in your home or building? Next, from the drop-down list, we will select Numeric Response, which means that the number of rooms entered by the customer will be multiplied by a time increment in minutes and added to the appointment. If we enter 10 minutes below and a customer enters the number 3, 30 minutes will be added to their appointment time. Remember, the number of minutes set up as a default for this service was entered above, 60 minutes. The next question we will ask is there mold in your carpet? And the type of question we will select is a free response, which means no time will be added to their appointment from the answer. It is just a tool to gather information about your client and the service they need before you arrive. And finally, another question with a numeric response. How many bathrooms do you have? And we'll enter a time increment of 15 minutes added for every bathroom. With all of this information gathered for you and the time calculated and added to the bookings automatically, the employee assigned to these jobs will be more efficient and capable of completing services and arriving on schedule for appointments throughout the day. Make sure you save the new service you have created by clicking the Add Service button. Edits can be made by clicking on the name of each service on the next page to open it. Now we will go to the customer-facing booking page to book an appointment for this service. A shortcut to this page is under the Company Profile heading. Just click on the link to the right that says myservicecompany.routezilla.com. Now from the customer booking page, we will enter the address of the service that we will be providing, which will take us through to confirm the location. Then on the next page, the customer will select the service, which is the one we have just created. And then the preset questions will be shown for the customer to answer. We'll enter 3 for the number of rooms, no to the mold, and 8 bathrooms. Next, it will take us through to the calendar page, where the customer would select the date and then the time that works best for them. And finally, the customer will enter their name, their email address, phone number, and check that their address is correct. And then click on the Complete Booking button. The final page shows a summary of their information, including the answers to the questions entered for this service. Heading back to the dashboard, we'll click on the booking we just created in the activity feed to see it viewed on the Gantt chart. The window that pops up will show you that the appointment has been allotted 3.5 hours based on the answers to the numeric response questions. And now you know how to create and edit services.